In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an image inside a shape in Canva. This is a really handy design trick you can use for social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, or any kind of graphic where you want your photos to look a bit more polished and professional. We'll walk through the process step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to add your image. Any canvas size will work for this, so just choose the format that fits your project, like an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom size. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Elements tab. This is where all of your shapes and graphics live. In the search bar at the top of Elements, type in Frame. Frames are special shapes in Canva that are designed to hold images, and this is exactly what we need. You'll see a variety of frames appear: circles, squares, rounded rectangles, letters, numbers, and more decorative shapes. Scroll through until you find the shape you want your image to appear in. When you've found one you like, click it once, and it will be added to your design. You can then click and drag the corners to resize it, and drag from the middle to move it into position on your canvas. Now it's time to place your image inside that shape. Go back to the left-hand side and click on the Uploads tab if you want to use your own photo, or click the Photos tab if you'd like to use one of Canva's stock images. Choose the image you want, then simply click and drag it over the frame you added earlier. When you hover the image over the frame, you'll see it snap into place automatically. Release your mouse and the photo will fill the shape. If you need to adjust how the image sits inside the shape, double-click on the framed image. This will let you reposition or zoom the photo within the frame. Click and drag to move it around until the most important part of your image is visible, and use the zoom slider if needed. When you're happy with the positioning, click outside the frame to lock it in. From here, you can treat the framed image like any other element, resize it, duplicate it, or add text and other graphics around it. When you're finished, just download or share your design as usual. That's all you need to place an image inside a shape in Canva.